Hi there, this is our Ursus 250 by 3 metres between centres, 105 bore. It's got a quick change tool post on it. Ticks over nicely, in good condition. The only thing I noticed with this one is the lead screw and feed shaft safety curtain rubbers need a little bit of work, so I've just left them retracted so you can see the machine. Oh well, from the front it's all reasonably tidy, and the back as well. Nothing really to report there. We'll start here. Oh, it's got the support there with the tail stock. Feels good on the inside. Goes out nice, in and out nicely, and that lock's working good. And moves and locks nicely. The carriage, it's got, you can pull this out so it just freewheels so it doesn't catch you to drive it. That moves nicely, it's got quite a bit of slot there. Cross slide moves nice, and a little bit of play but not much. Compound slide feels good, and quite a bit of play in that. It's got your carriage feed clutch here. I've fitted a new coolant nozzle there. I'll start the coolant pump up. I haven't tried it with fluid, but that's the pump itself running there. Then the only other controls is your main motor here, and also it's got a electromagnetic neutral brake to slow it down a little bit when it's in neutral. Alright, we'll start that main motor up, so that's ticking there. So it's got headstock clutches. So reverse, and forward, I'm in 125 RPM there. So I've got that lead screw running. I've just changed those speeds. Yeah, that's working nicely. So those are all changing through. You've got your high and low ratio there, and obviously the direction of the lead screw, which works nicely. Bring this way a bit, and that's that lead screw engaged, going away from me. I've disengaged that feed shaft now. And that's the carriage on the feed shaft coming towards me, and the cross slide going away from you. So that's most of that. Disengage that. So I'll run you through the gears and the headstock. So that is 1, 2, 5. That's 23. Yes, that'll be, I'll bring that forward, 73 there, and 390. Move that over to here, and so that will be 500. And 94. Okay, I'll change that into the next speeds. So that will be 46. And 250. Then if I move that over, that will be 780. 146. Two more. 187. And last one, 1000. So that's the headstock gear range there. I'll stop that. So not a lot more to say. Really good quality Italian machines, really well known, especially for their thread cutting capability. The bed seems in good condition for its age, and it's all set to go.